Welcome. In this video, we will be going over our time zone manager. This can be accessed by clicking on the upper right on the toolbar on the clock. From here, we can click on Add Time Zones, to which will open up our time zone manager. Now, with our time zone manager open, there are two main sections. We have on the left all the time zones available to us, and on the right is our current list that will add on to our quick menu. So using these buttons below, we can add in London, Cape Verde, Buenos Aires, Indiana. Hovering over, we get options of removing, if there was a new name, resetting, or by clicking onto the buttons available, we can choose as to which of these options end up next to our local clock. We also have similar options here to rename, or of course to start removing. And with that, it wraps up our video on the time zone manager. You can find more resources at tradrr.com/resources, or of course through our YouTube video playlists.